everybody, this is Bonnie from bonniescreativeplace.stampinup.net, and I am here with card number 2 from our online class. And if you joined my online class, thank you, welcome. And if you're a current subscriber and you're just checking out what the video was and everything, welcome. And if you're new here and you don't know what my online classes are, in the description box below there will be details and you can go there and find it out. And also, if you want to click the little pink square over there in the right hand corner, that will let you know about any up and coming videos or anything that I have going on, and you'll always be notified. So let's get started. So for the month of July, we chose the Quiet Meadow bundle, and this is the bundle that you had to purchase. And this is going to be our card number 2. It's absolutely stunning in person, I have to tell you. It's really stunning. I'm looking at it through the camera right now, and it does kind of look, I don't know, like this color might be blending in, but I'll tell you, in person, it is like a wow. So let's get started on how I made this card. When you get your supplies, you're going to get card number 2 will be all in its own kit, and it'll be labeled card number 2. You will have a little package with all your embellishments and stuff in it also inside here. All 4 of these little kits, because you do 4 cards, will come in an envelope to you with the written tutorial. And then I will email you the links to the video. So here we go. So we have a basic white, and we are going to fold this in half and score this in half at 4 1/4, and we're going to give it a good score. Then we are going to take out the rest of our pieces here, and we have this Melon Mambo color. Let's set that off to the side. We're going to bring in the Melon Mambo ink. We're going to bring in these really pretty dots, and this is going to be tone on tone, which is really cool. And I'm just kind of putting these wherever I feel it needs to be along the one side of the card. So kind of like that, wherever. Okay, we don't need this anymore, so we're going to put that up. Now we're going to bring in a piece of Designer Series paper. Now I ran out of the gingham, so I'm going to be using this piece, but you guys will be getting the gingham, just to let you know. You guys will be getting this piece, but I ran out of it, like I said, so I'm going to be using another color. And this one really blends in, but the gingham has a little more yellow in it, but this still looks pretty cool. So this piece, and we're going to put that piece right down on the end here. This is ready to come to an end, and I'm trying to get every last ounce out of it. You could see the red mark right there. So I'm having to, it's very tight, so I have to keep priming it. Okay, so we're going to put that piece there. Then this is some old lace that they have. They do have a different kind of lace, but I had this lace, and so I wanted to use some of it up. So I used this lace, but Stampin' Up! Does have another kind of lace if you want to remake this card again. And I'm just going to use a piece about this big. Now, those are not my ribbon scissors. They will not cut it. So I'm just going to get a piece. All your ribbon and embellishments and everything will be in the extra little envelope that I said. Let me see. I'm going to do one side first, and then I flip it over to make sure I'm looking at it the right, and make sure it's not going crooked or anything. Okay. That looks good. It's a little higher than the other one, isn't it? Well, not too much. Very little bit, but that's okay. All right, so we got that down. So now we can attach this piece to our card. Okay. I'm going to put this piece right down here, just like that. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and we are going to bring in the mini die cutting machine. So bring this in. And we need the platform 1 and 2 platform 2s. So platform 1, platform 2, and then we have another platform 1. We're going to put down the Pear Pizzazz, and you're going to be using this bigger die. Use the photo to pick out your dies if you can't tell what exactly I have, and offset them if you've got this mini die cut machine when you're cutting through. Don't forget to offset your plates because it makes them go through a lot easier. And then we will take this out, set it aside. Then you're going to bring in, what is this? Garden Green, had to think. And then we're using this die, and we're going to put that down. Offset the plates and crank it through. Oops, I need that green back again because I forgot. And then we got to pop this one out. Okay. And then you only need the flower part, so you got a little piece here. So we're going to put that piece down, and then we're just going to put the top half of the flower on because that's all you need. And then we're going to crank that through. There we go. There we go. Yep. Then you're going to take your green piece again. I forgot to do this piece. And you're going to take your little, what is this? Tag. We're going to put it right on the side. Let me see, I have it right there on the side. And we're going to offset this. And we're going to crank this through. Just like that. There we go. And then we have that piece that we needed. All right. So you can get them both on there. I forgot about that. So if you're worried, go over to this side as much as you can. But I think I gave you guys a little bit bigger piece than I just pulled scraps out of mine. So, okay. And we will close this up. And now we'll start putting this card together. We'll bring in the little paper here. You also have two or three greeting things in case you make a mistake or something. And I am going to stamp this up so it can dry just quickly before I smudge it. And I'm stamping the one that says, "You're so kind." And I'm going to put that off to the side. Let me pick this up and put that over there. Okay, and now we're just going to pop out any pieces that we don't need. Now we're going to trim off this little tiny bit that's right here on the end, and we're going to trim that piece off. Okay, we're going to add some glue, either to this or to the back of this, whatever's easiest for you to do. You don't need a lot of glue, just a little bit. I say this as I can't even get any out of my thing. There we go. Okay, pick it up. And we'll attach this right over top of this green piece. You can cut the green one off and just attach it where the little ball is, but it's just as easy to do that right there. So that's all I did. I attached that over top of it. Now we're going to flip it over, and we are going to add some glue to the back of this. Ooh, now I got it going. It wasn't coming out, now it's coming out. Just a little bit here and there. Kind of use the tip of your glue to spread it around. And then just attach this down. If you get glue anywhere, it'll dry clear. So, oops, oops, oops. I forgot. This was supposed to go down first. Oh, don't make my mistake. Put this one down first. I was so involved in... I might be able to get that up a little. I just don't know if I'll be able to put it back in the same spot. Trying to hurry. Okay. Let me see if I can peel this back. Okay, I'm gonna literally hold this up here with this pen, with that marker, because this goes down first. So let's get some glue on this. This is how you improvise when you make a mistake. You see, guys, now you know all my little tricks when I'm... That's why a little glue is best. And then we'll just set this across it here, like that. I think I got it in the right, fairly right spot. Okay. I'm going to add a little more glue to where this piece was, so that when I lay this back down, it has a little more glue to stick to. There, I fixed it, and you wouldn't know that I did anything, that I made a mistake. There we go. So there. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to take our little, I got all this stuff on top of this. We're going to go ahead and we're going to take the little, I don't know, greeting outline, I guess. I don't even know what it's called, that piece. And we're going to, oops. And we're going to put glue on the back of this. Guess I got all flustered. And we're going to center this piece in the middle, just like so. We'll flip it over. Get some Stampin' Dimensionals here. Another very quick and simple card. And then we're going to put this so it's kind of over top of the flowers down there at the bottom, like that. Then again, we're bringing in these lovely opals. I just love these little opal rounds. And I've got one kind of up here. I've got one over here. It's to draw your attention all the way around the card. And I got one right there. And there's the card. This ribbon's a little bit higher, but all in all, it came out pretty good. So I do like this one better. I like the gingham. So that'd be the one that you guys will definitely be getting. So yeah, I hope you guys like this.